We usually frame the weather as a series of isolated random events. We get caught in a sudden downpour or watch the clouds part for the sun, treating it like random luck falling from the sky. In reality, the atmosphere is a restless planetary gas swarm wrapped around the globe. Three main forces continuously agitate that swarm: solar heat radiating inward, the planet's rotation curving the flow, and physical terrain resisting the movement. These inputs ensure the atmosphere never settles. Heat concentrations and pressure buildups distort the system, creating massive mathematical imbalances. Weather is the atmosphere's mechanical response to those imbalances, the use of structured motion to actively seek equilibrium. Every passing cloud or sudden thunderstorm is the sky working to fix a deficit and redistribute energy in real time. Rebalancing starts with simple uplift. When the sun heats a patch of ground, the air above it warms, expands, and begins to rise. Higher in the atmosphere, that air cools. Because cold air holds less moisture, the water vapor is forced to condense into tiny visible droplets. This cross-section reveals a cloud is a motion map. Its shape shows where the atmosphere reorganizes heat and moisture through upward and outward currents. When temperature and pressure differences grow too steep, gentle lifting escalates. Warm air shoots upward while cold air drops violently. This aggressive restructuring is a storm, a self-organizing engine built directly from the atmosphere's instability. The turbulence inside a storm is extreme. Collisions between particles create massive friction, forcing positive and negative charges to separate. When the gradient peaks, the system triggers a rapid sink correction, the flash of redistributed charge, followed by the pressure ripple of thunder. Thunderheads and lightning are the mechanics of balance returning through a dramatic, forceful path. Large storms are often shaped by directional wind shear, where air currents at different altitudes move at different speeds and directions. When those horizontal currents get caught in a powerful vertical updraft, they force the atmospheric field to begin spinning. If the rising air stretches that rotation, it tightens into a compressed, violent funnel, a tornado. The tornado is a state of organized chaos, a coherent mathematical motion gradient fighting to stabilize a local extreme. On a planetary scale, the oceans pump immense heat and evaporation into the lower atmosphere. Earth's rotation curves that rising energy into a self-feeding spiral. This massive atmospheric loop is the hurricane. The clear eye reveals the deeper order. The storm's high-velocity rotation creates a structured geometry, maintaining a zone of temporary calm right at the center. As imbalances reach planetary levels, the atmosphere builds larger, more precise engines to process the available fuel. From puffy cumulus clouds to Category 5 cyclones, the sky utilizes the same grammar of motion under constraint. A storm is simply heat, pressure, and rotation temporarily stabilizing into an event. This cycle will never stop. As long as Earth has sunlight, oceans, and a daily rotation, these atmospheric deficits will keep forming. The atmosphere becomes weather whenever its gradients organize themselves strongly enough. It is the atmosphere thinking with motion. The daily forecast maps how the system reorganizes next. The sky is a battlefield of motion gradients fighting for balance.